So I'm making a little wrist roller. Instead of holding it out in front of me, because I want over time the weights to get heavier than I can just hold up. I want to make this more of a wrist exercise. So I grab this scrap pole from outside. I'm rigging it up here, and to keep it from moving back and forth, I'm going to lash it with paracord. And I've also got a paracord string just knotted inside here for turning. So this is essentially what I'm trying to accomplish. Alright, so this doesn't have to be anything major. It's just a 5-foot piece of scrap paracord, and there's not a lot to it, so it doesn't have to be that strong. I just don't want it to move when I'm using it. So I'm going to start with a clove hitch. As you can see there, pass this over. All right, tighten that up. That's just to hold it in place to start, and then I'm going to go diagonal that way, and I'm going to go underneath and diagonal that way. Now that in and of itself pretty much get the job done, but I'm going to also come up over and down on this side, switch across, and go up, over, and down on that side. So you could also repeat. If you wanted to use up the cord that you've got, you could go back. Sorry about that. Go back and do a diagonal. Maybe over the other side, another diagonal. And then I'm just going to finish it over here with a couple half hitches like that. And one more over the top, back down through. That's it. Good enough.